fxntradinggroup, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And as you can see guys, we're taking a look at gold today. Give you an update on what I think about the status of gold right now. As you can see, we're looking at gold on the weekly chart, and the targets that we had last week were actually hit. We wanted to go down to about 17, I believe it was 12 or something of that nature, and we actually went all the way down to 1689. So we went and we did hit those particular targets that we set last week on gold. Now, what do we expect? What could we expect essentially from gold now? So gold, the ultimate goal for me for gold is going to be to hit the 1675 mark. That's basically tagging all of these lows that have been tagged over and over and over again. Okay, we quite didn't make it last week here with this wick, but I'm hoping that we can do that this week and actually hit 1675. As you can see, 1675, if that's broken, I mean, we have a long way to go. We're looking at, going down to these levels down here. We're talking 1453. So this 1675 level is huge. It's very important on gold because if it's broken, we're going to see a massive dump on gold. Okay, so what does that mean for us on the smaller time frame? So let's look at the smaller time frame and let's talk about that. Here's a 2-hour chart on gold. You can see that we're coming off of a brand new peak formation low, but you know that our bias has always been to continue to do sell-offs. So what do I think about that? Well, the only way that we're going to continue to do sell-offs is if we reset. Okay, that's the only way that this is going to work or happen. So how are we going to do that? Well, if we zoom into this area here, okay, first of all, to go back up to the very top and do another full cycle is going all the way back up here 4 times ADR. Okay, that's the first thing. But what we could do here, if we continue to look for sells, or if you want to look for sells, if we can fib from the last reset down to here, you can see we've touched the 50 already. Okay, so we've already touched the 50 on the retracement. So this could very well be the start of the reset right now as we speak. Now, if it does, if this is really the start of the reset here, okay, then basically the goal would be to get to 1670. If we get down to 1670, that's another full cycle. Okay, that's another full cycle. So it's basically, if our goal was 1675, 1670 on the lower time frame, like a 2-hour time frame, allows us to reach 3 times ADR essentially on another cycle. So this is going to be the reset here. Then you can continue to look obviously for more sells. I think for me, the biggest thing that I'm going to be looking for on gold is, if you haven't got into a trade obviously, is the break of this right here. Because once this breaks, there's a very good chance that we can go ahead and count this as the actual reset and then go from there and start looking for sell setups on the lower time frames, like the 15-minute time frame and things of that nature. Okay, so that's what I believe on gold right now as I'm looking at this. Essentially, I'm just waiting to see if that structure is broken or not, because that's going to be the biggest clue that we're going to have. Okay, market makers look like they went all the way up here and grabbed some orders up here already. So if that's all they needed, then that's a very good indication that we can continue to see some down movement. Okay, So I'm looking to see on gold if we can break this structure here. If we can, very likely to get a reset, and then we can continue to look for sell setups down to 1670. All right, that's what I'm looking out for on gold, guys. If you like these charts right here, I've had questions asked about these charts. These are my charts here that I literally change every single day. And if you want access to these charts, this is what FXN Plus is actually for. Every day, I literally update my charts and I show you what my charts are every day before London session. So if you have a hard problem figuring out the directional bias, literally I give you the charts every day before London session for FXN Plus members. So if you want that kind of, if you want to get this every single day, join us on FXN Plus. You also get live sessions, Sunday sessions, blueprint videos, all that stuff. But anyway, so those are my thoughts on gold, guys. I hope that this works out. We get a reset here and we can continue to sell off on gold and make it all the way down to 1670. All right, guys. With that being said, thank you so much. If you like this content, guys, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next one. Guys, if you enjoy the content that we produce on this channel, if you find value in that content, please consider joining us in our next FXN Masterclass. You can see the date that our next class will be held. All of the information is linked below in the description of this video. We hope to see you in the next Masterclass so we can help you reach all of your trading goals, guys. Have a great rest of your day.